Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Verizon 5G home internet service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly disconnect. Step 1. Review your Verizon 5G home internet account details. This service typically has no annual contracts, so you can cancel at any time without early termination fees. Step 2. Contact Verizon customer service by calling their support number, chatting online, or visiting a Verizon store. Have your account number ready. Step 3. Clearly communicate to the representative that you want to cancel your Verizon 5G home internet service. Specify your desired cancellation date. Step 4. Be prepared for retention offers, such as discounted rates or service credits. Consider these options if they address your concerns, or decline if cancellation is your final decision. Step 5. Confirm any final charges, including prorated service fees, for the remaining days in your billing cycle. Ask about any outstanding equipment fees if applicable. Step 6. Understand the equipment return requirements. You must return the Verizon 5G home router within 30 days to avoid non-return equipment charges. Step 7. Return the router to a Verizon store and obtain a detailed receipt, or use the prepaid return shipping label that Verizon provides. Pack the device securely. Step 8. Verify your final bill for accuracy and cancel any automatic payment arrangements. Monitor your account to ensure service is fully disconnected and no unauthorized charges occur after cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.